Eleanor here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have each and every single one of you here today. Oh my gosh guys, I just want to say we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Yay! Thank you so much to all of you who watch my videos. You have no idea how much this means to me. And on that note, if you're not subscribed already, please do so now and join the Eleanor family. Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for all the love that you guys gave me on my last video. I was quite nervous about sharing it. It was quite a long one and I got kind of personal, but you guys gave me so much love and just so much positive feedback and positive energy. So I just want to say thank you for that too, and thank you for giving me that little oomph that I kind of needed to get going and to just, you know, keep on persisting. Yeah, I really appreciate it, and you guys are really so amazing. Okay, on to today's video. Today I'm bringing you guys a twist out. Now, I mean, come on, just look at my hair. Look at my hair. I used to do twist outs all the time when I was transitioning from badly damaged hair to natural hair. Okay, so a twist out is the perfect style for you to do if you're struggling with either relaxed hair and going to natural, or damaged hair wanting to return to natural, because it just blends the two textures, your damaged or relaxed texture with your new regrowth. So this is the perfect style to do, and guys, like it served me so well. I think for maybe 2 years, that's all I did. I washed my hair, I would then do twists with leave-in conditioner and an oil, and that was it. Okay, so fast forward a few years later, I haven't really done twist outs that much anymore, but I decided to revisit it for you guys, especially all of you who are transitioning. And yeah, all I can say is I'm not sorry, because I still love the style. Okay, and the products that I'm going to be using today are As I Am. Now, I was actually sent all the products in the range, but today I'm only going to be focusing on a few of them. So I've got the cleansing pudding, the Hydration Elation deep conditioner, then we're going to talk about the leave-in conditioner, followed by this CocoShea Whip, and you can see that I have used it many times. And lastly, we're going to be talking about the curling jelly. But as I use the products in the video, I'll be explaining each one of them and giving you a bit of a review as well. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So I started off by washing my hair with the cleansing pudding, and this is a very rich no-suds cleanser, very gentle to the hair, and it contains tangerine, aloe vera, castor oil and vegetable glycerin, so it is extremely moisturizing. Then for conditioning, I moved on to the Hydration Elation deep conditioner, and this is fast becoming one of my favorite deep conditioners, guys. It is so light. Again, it smells of citrus, as it also contains tangerine extracts, and it's super moisturizing. I also use this to deep condition my boys' hair with, actually, and it's just really moisturizing. So I left that in my hair for a bit, detangled, then came back, rinsed it out, and my hair felt amazing afterwards. Then we're going to move on to styling. Now, to prep my hair for styling, I have divided it into 4 workable sections. And just to help things along, usually I would style my hair on soaking wet hair whenever I do a wash and go, but for this style I have just used a t-shirt to blot out the excess moisture, because otherwise the twists will take forever to dry. Now, as I said, I'm working in workable sections. This is going to make the process of twisting my hair up a little bit easier, and I'm starting by using the leave-in conditioner. And guys, I love this leave-in conditioner. It contains extracts of coconut, amla, sugar beetroot, green tea, lemon, apple, sugar cane. Now, does that not just sound so luxurious for your hair? I honestly just love using products that sound this luxurious on my hair. So I just take a small dollop, and then I proceed to apply it to that first section of hair, and I just make sure that I work it in really nicely. Okay, next I'm going to move on to applying the CocoShea Whip. Now, this is basically a butter. so an emollient or a sealant. But what I love about the CocoShea Whip is that it is really, really light. So I highly recommend this if you want to seal your hair without weighing it down. I find that other butters can be quite heavy on the hair, especially if you have very fine hair like I do. But for other fine hair curlies out there like me, this is the perfect product for you. Even on the packaging, it says that it is extremely light, and I can definitely testify to this. And once again, it contains all these luxury, lovely ingredients that I love, such as coconut oil, shea butter, extracts of amla and shikakai. And lastly, I'm going to move on to the product that is going to be key to giving me the hold for this twist out. It is the curling jelly, and ingredients in the curling jelly are aloe vera, and I love that aloe vera is the first ingredient because you can basically feel it's an aloe vera gel as you apply it to the hair. So aloe vera, vitamin E, pectin and sugar beet root. Now what I love about this curling jelly is that it is super light, and I would say that it provides quite a light hold, but it is super moisturizing because of the aloe vera, and it gives my hair an incredible shine, and it also leaves it quite soft. My hair is not hard at all when using this product. Now the key to ensuring a really smooth set style is to have properly detangled hair, which is why I'm going to take my tangle teaser and just run it through my hair. And as you can see, I start from the tips and work my way up. So this is going to ensure that my hair is properly detangled so that I can proceed with the twist out. So once that's done, I'm going to take a smaller section. I'm going to call it a medium-sized section, not too big, not too small. I'm going to divide that into two. Make sure that I have a firm hold on it, and then I'm going to proceed by placing the left strand of hair over the right strand of hair. And I'm going to continue like that, and that is basically how you twist your hair. Now the aim with each twist is to make sure that you get a plump, taut twist that doesn't unravel. Now there are a few steps to keep in mind when doing this. So you want to make sure that you keep each strand of hair in each hand quite taut. So make sure that you're holding onto it firmly without actually pulling your hair by the root. Just make sure that you've got a nice firm hold. And then as you twist each strand of hair around the other one, make sure that you are pulling quite tautly again. And if you find that your hair is getting detangled towards the bottom, just detangle as you go. So either just use your fingers or take your detangling tool, whether that's a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb, and just run it through the hair again. So carry on twisting, and when you get to the ends of the hair, just take your hair and twirl it around your finger, and this will ensure that the twist stays in place. If you find that you are struggling for it to stay in place, just take a little bit of product. So you can take either the curling jelly or you can take your butter and just apply a little bit more to the tips of your hair and then twirl it around your finger. And this will definitely ensure that your twist stays in place. So now you are simply going to continue this process throughout your entire head of hair. So you're going to take a medium-sized section of hair, apply your product, detangle it, and then divide that medium-sized section of hair into two, pulling it tautly, and then placing one strand of hair over the next one and making sure that you're pulling taut as you go. When you get to the end, going to take a little bit of extra product and twirl that end bit around your finger. Okay, so those are all my twists done. I think I ended up with around 15 or 16 twists throughout my entire head of hair. This is what it looks like from the back. So I just let my twists air dry for the rest of the day, and then that evening I slept with a silk scarf around my head, and it is now the next morning and it is time for the takedown. So in order to take my twists down, I decided to use a light oil, and I applied that to the palms of my hand and then just kind of scrunched it into the twists, and what this will do is it's going to minimize any chance of frizz. And yeah, actually the oil goes a long way to help with minimizing frizz. So just apply a little bit of oil. You don't really have to do this, but I like to follow this step. So then I'm going to proceed to take one twist at a time and undo them. And there are different ways to undo the twists, but the way that I like to do it is to kind of separate the twist at the top and slide my finger in, and then just unravel it towards the end in the opposite direction of what I twisted it in originally. I hope that makes sense, but I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I have now taken down all the twists, but as you can see, my hair is quite small. There's no volume going on. So I'm just going to proceed to separate the twists gently and just try to separate them where you can feel they want to separate naturally. So continue with that, and then once that's done, I'm going to take my Afro pick, lift my hair at the roots as much as I possibly can. I'm also going to fluff out my hair with my fingers. Another tip is that you can kind of just turn your head upside down and shake your hair loose. That's also going to provide more volume. On first days, I never have much volume with twists out anyway, so the second and third day I'll get a lot more volume. But these are just a few of the steps that you can follow on the first day to help with more volume. And for final styling, I decided to apply a little bit of edge tamer to the sides of my hair and pin it up, and that is it. I really hope that you like the style, guys. My final thoughts on the products: this is definitely luxury hair care, and I am here for every single minute of it. I absolutely love As I Am. I've loved the products for a very long time, and I'm going to continue using them for a very long time as well. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again so much for watching. Follow me on all my socials. I'm at Eleanor on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. You can also follow my blog, eleanorjadot.com, and make sure to subscribe and also click the notification button so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!